Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlantean? Forgive me for speaking a little quietly. It's in the middle of the night and my entire family is trying to go to bed. I couldn't go to bed without unboxing this. So obviously, as you can tell from the title and from what we have here, I have the Return of the Living Dead dolls. Sin. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so I'm really excited about this one. I pre-ordered this the day the pre-order came out, and I've been waiting for her like ever since then, because in case you didn't know, Living Dead Dolls is another one of the doll lines that I collect, and my first ever Living Dead doll was the 13th anniversary version of Sin. Thus, Sin is my favorite Living Dead doll character. And as soon as I found out that Sin was gonna be coming to Return of the Living Dead dolls, immediately I jumped in. This is not the doll I pre-ordered. So what happened was I didn't know, I didn't see in my email that the pre-order went through, but my card did not. So my order got canceled. I tried to reorder it, but this was like 6 months ago. I tried to pre-order, but it's June, no dolls. So thankfully I found a seller who was selling the Return of the Living Dead dolls Sin. They had good reviews, I trusted them, and it was pretty much the exact same price that I was paying for this doll anyway. So I was like, you know what? What's the worst that can happen? And she's here, and she's exactly what I hope for. I'm so excited. So I think we have to get right into this. I'm so excited about this. So here is the classic box. This is my second Return of the Living Dead dolls. I do have a video opening Sadie, and y'all know that I absolutely love her. Now I have her sister Sin. I'm so excited to have her. We have the classic coffin-shaped box with the sulfur symbol on the front, and you can kind of see Sin looking through. She is so cute. Then we have Sin's name at the bottom here, and then on the back here we have a full image of Sin, just like how we had Sadie on the back of the box. And then some Living Dead dolls at the bottom, but it doesn't say Return of, and she's in this absolutely adorable pose. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So it kind of just opens like that, like any regular Living Dead doll. This is the inside, just all plain. It's a really nice quality cardboard, like no wonder it was that expensive, but these are art dolls to me, so very, very exciting. So here she is. She looks so cute. Okay, so pretty much the exact same, pretty much the exact same composition as Sadie. It's just that this time around, obviously, here we have Sin. So dang cute. So she has like the red cushioning on the side here, and you can just pull her out. Okay. Yes. Oh my gosh. Her accessories are so cool. So here is what she looks like. Plastic on top of plastic. Hold on now. Let me take her out. So out of the box, there she is. Very, very nice. Whoa. Okay. There goes the silica gel. Okay. So there was this that was attached to her tail here. And I really, really appreciate the like plastic that's over her face, because you never know what could possibly happen on transit. Let me get this off. How should I get this off? Oh my god, my girl! My girl, she is so spooky. She's so cute. I love the weight of these Living Dead dolls. Like, you can feel the quality on them. That's why I don't even hesitate when I like want to buy one of these, because they're always just such good quality. Thing in the box, this is Sin in her entirety. Very beautiful, very cute. Okay, So this is what her little face looks like. She is giving the vampires in Buffy the Vampire Slayer, but that's okay. I love the detail, the wrinkling on her forehead. Her expression is just very sin, very sin. I love her little horns, so stinking cute. And they were really nicely packaged in the box. So this is what her outfit looks like. I'm a little nervous to see what's underneath because this is a red dyed fabric, so I'm really nervous that it might have rubbed off on her. So far it's looking good, at least nowhere I can tell is it rubbed off, so I have faith that she's okay. Her little Peter Pan collar has a little 666 on it because she's a demon, and she's got these really cool, are they called princess sleeves? I don't know what they're called. Little puffy sleeves. And they're cinched at the bottom. Very nice. And I will say the construction of this dress is very, very nice. And you can see that it's even like tailored to her. Flares out where it needs to. It's fitted where it needs to be. Very cute. And then of course you can see her little body. So her body is made out of a really nice vinyl material. I would still be like kind of careful with her, but she does have a little red manicure, which is really cute, and she has these really cute Mary Janes that are such a cute nod to her Living Dead doll shoes. They are like, they were Mary Janes and they have the sulfur symbol on them. Here they have upside down crosses. So cute. I love her little socks with the red scalloped trim, and she has a little bendy tail, which is really, really fun. And here you can see, of course, her I think it's supposed to be messy, like that's kind of the point. Oh, I just love her so much. And look at her eyes, her pale eyes, so stinking pretty. And then she does have a little hairstyle. It's pretty reminiscent of the original because it did have like a little loop-de-loop in the hair. So she has these little front tendrils that hide behind her pointed ears, and it stays there. I did see a couple videos on her just to see what's kind of up, and they do talk about how thin her hair is, and while there are no major bald spots, there is one pretty noticeable right there, and that's pretty disappointing, I will say. Living Dead Dolls was always kind of good about their hair. Like the hair quality was always kind of weird, but like it was never thin. And this is the first time I've ever seen that, but that's no issue for me. I can't really tell when I'm just holding her and playing around with her, so that is sin. Let me just see what's going on in her outfit. Okay, so it's velcroed on the back. So she does have the fully articulated body, so she's got a little chest joint. No plastic on her body to protect her, but it doesn't look like there's any staining. And I have, at least from what I see, which is totally okay because I'm not going to be removing her from this outfit. I would love to get that Living Dead Dolls fashion pack, accessory pack, I think that's what they call it. Yeah, she is wearing a white pair of underwear as well. I'm really happy about her. Ah! Oh my god, she's such a cutie. Okay, guys, she comes with so much stuff. In case you don't know me, I do love a demonic queen. This is the back of the box. That's it. I just took everything out here. So let's maybe start from the top. So this is what we've got. All of our accessories are just laid out there for us. Very, very nice. Let's start off with this really cool headpiece. Like, are you kidding me? Like, this is what I'm saying when like some like dolls are art to me. Just the way that like all of those teeth are individually sculpted in. Her face is a lot more severe. Like the wrinkles, if you can kind of see. So excited to try this on her. I'm so excited that her horns grew longer when she's feeling a little bit more, when she's getting a lot more scary. So cute. cute, guys. Even the way her nose is scrunched up. Guys, okay, so I am a sculptor. I'm a digital sculptor. So things like this really get me excited. And then even the detail in her horns is so cool. Yeah, this is really good. I'm so excited to try that on her. We have her trident, her pitchfork. It's like such an upgrade from her original. If you have at least the 13th anniversary one, it's like made out of wood. This is like a full, like I would assume like steel or metal trident thing. All the parts that would have more detail are like sprayed in black there. Really cute, looks really good, and it's a really big size. Like I keep forgetting how big these dolls are. And then she's got some really cool hands here, so obviously she can't be causing mischief and mayhem without being able to hold onto her staff. So here we have two little holding hands. Then I'm so excited about these ones, these little like demon hands, if you've seen Silent Hill. No, growing up in a church, we weren't allowed to make this hand gesture because it represented the devil. And Sin is not beating the allegation. I'm excited about these, just because I've never had these before. A second set of eyeballs. So these would probably go into the head like this, kind of. I know that there's a holder inside of Sin's head that you can put in here, and then it'll keep the eyes in place, so that's really good. But I love that they're full red. That's really cute. Okay, and then last one on this layer, her crown of fire. So cute, and apparently it's supposed to just like sit in between the horns. Oh wow, yeah, that's good. That's on there pretty good. Yeah, so that's gonna look really cool on her. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so I was really excited about this accessory. So if you saw the little stop motion short film for the Sin's like reveal, Damien is actually summoning her, and she comes out of this pentagram, and it's just, oh my gosh, like I can't even explain to you how exciting this is to me. First of all, bendy plastic. I could use this as a coaster. I could be using this as a coaster, and it's really intricate. Like the fire around it is like sculpted really pretty. Yeah, just like, I just think this is so cool. Okay, and then she does have her little cape, because you can't be the ruler of the underworld without a cape. And this is a, wow, okay, so it's quite thin, because it should be flowy, right? It's a demon cape. The edges are hemmed. You can see that there's some rouging on the back there, some paneling. It's still really well constructed, and then there's a little ribbon for you to tie it around her. And then there's a wire actually on the inside. For more, just to make her a little, just even that more scared. One of the things that I love about the Return of the Living Dead dolls is that we still get, are these death certificates, or are these just like, I think it's just like the poem, like the chipboard poem. Usually they're hidden in the doll somewhere. For Sadie, for example, it was really cool. It was inside of the gravestone that she came with. I thought it'd be really cool if this was actually like put maybe inside the pentagram somehow, but this was kind of just hidden in the cape. I'm totally cool with that, but yeah. Okay, there's nothing on the back this time around. But then here is Sin's little chipboard. This is what Sin looks like after she's fully decked out. Crazy. Absolutely insane. Like, I don't know what it is about this cape, it just does her so good. And the little edges here sits on her shoulders just so beautifully, and I don't know, I just love her so much. She's everything I could have asked for a revival of the original Sin. I mean, obviously, I don't know if I'm gonna keep her in this one, because, I mean, I won't keep her in this one tonight, because, it's kind of scary, but, like, I will say that this is an absolutely gorgeous doll, and this is a gorgeous piece to have in your collection if you are a horror collector or a Living Dead doll collector. Do not pass this one up. And she just looks even more incredible with like her little stand. Oh, she's gonna look so cute next to Sadie. I'm really excited to have her. She's so worth the wait, just so worth the wait, and she's so worth the money. She was like $200 and something Canadian. Crazy, I know, but this is the most me doll I've ever seen in my life. Okay, so yeah, everyone, that is everything for this video. Clearly, I love her. If you guys ended up getting her, please let me know what you think about her in the comments. Do you like Living Dead dolls? Do you like this doll? Does it scare you? It could be a little scary sometimes, I get it. I think she's absolutely beautiful. Like, can you see past the freakiness? Oh my god, I love her so much. She needs more hair. That's the only thing, but you can see that the hair is like really pretty. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know, do you guys want to see more horror gothy stuff? Because like I have a lot of stuff that I kind of want to show off, and I have a lot of things I'd like to collect, so I'm always up for a good time. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you on the flip side. Good night. Bye-bye.